Welcome back, YouTube. Got another video for you, and this one's done with aweber, of course. And this is the reports inside aweber. This is what you get once you sign up for aweber. Remember, it's a free month, free 30-day free trial, and the first payment is $19.99, $20 for your first payment. It's free 30 days, and you get the full blown product. You don't get, your limited space, your limited. You can't use that until you get the full thing. Use the whole thing. So whatever I had it for 8 months now. Whatever I have to use, you can use it also on the free trial. But nonetheless, in the report section, it's very, very in depth. It don't tell you what your percentages are based on what emails. This is a really in depth views, how many unique views, how many uniques you have. Here's a follow-up, here's a broadcast. Most of them broadcast, decent follow-ups, and it shows you, okay, I follow up here. You click on there, unique, you click here. I'm gonna you click here. You can't click there, but you click there. It takes a while to get used to. There's so many things. Here's a unique follow-up at 2 people at 9 o'clock. The time, how many was a broadcast, is unique. It tells you, who did what. Broadcast. It tells you, look, the tracking is unreal. I mean, ad tracking, countries, states, counties, area codes, follow-up status, unsubscribe. The reports are so much that you can revenues over time, clicks over time, over rates over time. I mean, it's a lot of information here. Broadcast tools. There's a lot of information here for you to grow your email list and have a stable business. It's wild. It's wild how many daily new subscribers. It's wild how many reports there are, and there's settings here also. You can change the settings. So there's a quick video of aweber, the reports. If you're on the fence of getting aweber, you're not too sure, because there's so many autoresponders out there. I'm pretty sure they're all good. Just that I can only give you my perspective on aweber, which is one of the top dog out there. But this is my perspective. I'm showing you what you get inside once you sign up for it. And if you want to sign up aweber, I appreciate you hit the link below this video. It has a link to aweber, a free 30 days free trial. And while I got into the trial, I liked it then. It starts off slow, but man, everything gets rolling. Okay, so this is on the report section of aweber. I mean, it is so much, and here's email, display leads. And it's so much, and these are the people right here that follow up. So this guy right here follow up on my email. So if you send an email out today and tomorrow you check to see who followed up on your email, who clicked on your link, or who did whatever, and everything's here. Everything is here. Okay, so this is Tyrone for the xking.com. Please like, subscribe my video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.